If you've got a tuxedo shop and you're looking for an affordable professional website, then you're certainly in the right place today. So keep watching this video. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to use the multi-site platform to build a website for your business. If you haven't heard of multi-site yet, we built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with side hustles so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details needed. So click on the link below this video and give it a go. Once you join the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your markets. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, and we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to go ahead and search for my market, Tuxedo Shop. There it is. I'm now going to go ahead and put in a few basic details about my business so Multi Sites can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and put in my city and my state or region. And it doesn't quite matter where in the world your tuxedo shop is located, you can enjoy the multi site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change that to retail. Click on continue and let multi sites work its magic. Create a website with the information I've just put in. And there you have it. It's literally done it in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well used throughout the website, and they're really high quality, as you can see. They're also completely free for you to use. You are welcome to use them on your website. However, I'm sure you've got some amazing images of all the various tuxedo supplies you stock in store. You want to showcase them on your website for perhaps grooms to be, people attending special events and parties, and you want to showcase them on your website. You can do that. You can make changes. It's super simple. You don't need to know any sort of coding or web development skills, and you certainly don't need to hire someone to help you with this either. You can do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that today. Let's go ahead and head to the first section, click on updates, and pop in our email address over here. We want to make sure that email address is visible on our website, so we're going to go ahead and tick that box. Awesome. Let's go ahead and pop in our phone number over here in the phone number section. That is click to call, by the way, as well as our physical location, our street address. Great thing about that physical location, when your website's live and your customers click on the address, it will automatically take them to Google Maps. Under update social links, let's go ahead and put it in our various social media platforms that we are active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as the bottom. If you have a logo, head on over to update logo, click on browse, and let's go ahead and update our logo. Once that's uploaded, if you want to make any slight amendments to it, click on the pencil. You can add filters, frames, zoom in, rotate, flip the logo if necessary. Otherwise, go ahead and click on save. You can make it bigger and smaller on the right here under customize logo. Awesome. Now with multi-sites as well, we pre-selected the colors used throughout the website for you. If you want to change it, go ahead and click on the little paint bucket. No color coding needed. Awesome. For each section, you want to make some amendments to, click on update section directly underneath it. Head on over to update image, browse your device and upload your own images if you have. Otherwise, search through the photo library, hundreds of images to choose from, all completely free to use. For the content that you want to replace, click on update content. Button currently says contact us today. You can change that text, and you can link the buttons to various places. You can link to another website and action. Otherwise, upload a PDF file, which is a great option to upload a brochure or a catalog of your current items in your store. Look at this. This looks absolutely fantastic, very professional. In the last section, you can click on update section and put in your various trading hours for your business, for your customers' convenience, so they know when you are open. They will be visible in the last section over here. If you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on connect your domain. Say I already have a domain. Otherwise, if you want to purchase a domain to make your website look even more professional, go ahead and click on this button over here. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your Tuxedo shop. Really wishing you and your business mighty success.